So I'm using this Swiss Beauty. Sorry. I'm using. Okay. Where is my lip balm? Don't do haircut in your life again. Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Shruti and here I make fashion, DIY and beauty related videos. So if this is something you like, then don't forget to click on that red subscribe button and press the bell icon right next to it. So every time I upload a video, you can catch on. Oh my god. Now I know what I was actually missing. I missed this whole line, this whole introduction syntax of my video, and by saying this I'm just boosted up and ready to work hard again. And I'm sorry guys, I know it has been 1 month or more than 1 month I haven't posted anything like long video wise because lot of happened. First I was at my family function. उसके बाद I was like okay अब 1-2 दिन रेस्ट करके I will resume my work. Then I took a vaccine और वैक्सीन का असर मुझ पे बहुत बुरा पड़ा. For 3 days I was not feeling well at all. एंड उसके बाद फिर एक्ने, ब्रेकआउट और ये जो कैमरा है जिससे मैं रिकॉर्ड करती हूँ इसकी बैटरी भी खराब हो गई थी एंड वो मिल भी नहीं रही थी कहाँ पे. सो बैटरी का अरेंजमेंट करने में मुझे बहुत दिन लगे. उसके बाद कैमरा का प्रॉब्लम हुआ. ऑल लॉट ऑफ वाज जस्ट हैपनिंग एंड आई वाज नॉट ओके एट ऑल with physically, mentally and emotionally. I think it's my responsibility to tell you guys or let you know guys what was happening or what is happening because I know a lot of you were messaging me on Instagram when you are posting video, we are missing your videos. Today also I am not feeling well. आपको आवाज से पता चल ही रहा होगा. But today I have decided that कुछ भी हो जाए, like कुछ भी हो जाए, I am going to film this video because मेरे सारे videos बहुत planned थे. ऐसा नहीं था कि मेरे पास content ही नहीं था. मेरे videos planned थे, but I was just postponing them due to some issues. Now I'm active and I will be consistent for long videos. इसके बाद बहुत interesting videos आने वाले हैं. So make sure you're subscribing to my channel. It's not like कि I have been underground. मैं YouTube पे shorts बहुत डाल रही थी. Make sure you're checking my YouTube shorts too. Because कैमरे का problem था, that's why मैं long video shoot नहीं कर पा रही थी, obviously. So make sure you're following me on Instagram. क्योंकि वहाँ पे sneak peeks and updates of my life मिल ही जाते हैं आपको. My ID is @IamShruts and link will be there in the description box below. So let's talk about today's video. Like I have not done any kind of this video on my channel. आपको टाइटल से पता चल ही गया होगा. आई एम रिक्रिएटिंग सोनाक्षी's लुक फ्रॉम कुछ रंग प्यार के ऐसे भी. उसका भी 3rd सीजन चल रहा है एंड आई लव दैट सीरियल सो मच. आई लव एवरी कैरेक्टर, स्पेशली आई लव सोनाक्षी वेरी मच एंड हर क्लोथिंग स्टाइल, हर मेकअप, एवरीथिंग इज जस्ट ऑन पॉइंट. सो आई थॉट आई शुड रिक्रिएट हर लुक. सो मैंने ये लुक चूज किया था उसका एंड आई हैव रिक्रिएटेड दिस लुक. इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड हाउ आई क्रिएटेड दिस लुक एंड हाउ आई adopted some Sonakshi's makeup, then let's get dive straight into the video and start with our makeup. So now let's start with our makeup. I have cleansed my face and applied toner. Always wash your face before makeup and apply toner. It will obviously protect your skin. And to prime my skin, I'm using this Inside 3-in-1 primer. This primer is quite good and affordable also. I'm just taking a little bit and applying mainly on the T-zone. And remaining, I'm just spreading on my face. You can see how much I'm just breaking out, but it's okay, it's now under control. Once I will find out the exact solution for my acne, like which process I did and what products I use, once I will sure about them, I will share with you guys. Okay, so now my primer is settled. Let's move on towards concealer. I'm using this Swiss Beauty concealer in the shade 02. Applying this concealer on the under eyes, forehead, like to cover my acne marks. This concealer is little light for me, like for covering purpose, but it's okay. It does not make my under eyes grey or my foundation cakey. Little bit around my mouth because I have pigmentation over there. And now it's time to blend. I'm using this flat brush to blend. As always dab, don't drag. The look we are going to recreate today is very like light kind of a look. So we are going to make our base heavy, but our contour and blush part it will be very light. I have applied little bit concealer because after foundation, again we are going to apply concealer for highlighting purpose. और तब बहुत ज़्यादा cover हो जाता है. So now for foundation, I am using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I am mixing 115 and 128 together because I am just trying out which suits me better. 115 also suits me, but that's little light, and 118 is little dark. So now I am applying 115 and 128 together because I am just trying out which suits me better. 115 also suits me, but that's little light and 118 is little dark. 115 is little light and 118 is little dark. 115 is little light and 118 is little dark. 115 is little light and 118 is little dark. 115 is little light and 118 is little dark. 115 is little light and 118 is little dark. 115 is little light and 118 is little dark. 115 is little light and 118 is little dark. 115 is little light and 118 is little dark. 115 is little light and 118 is little dark. 115 is little light and 118 is little dark. 115 is little light and 118 is little dark. 115 is little light and 118 is little dark. 115 is little light and 118 is little dark. 115 is little light and 118 is little dark. 115 is little light and 118 is little dark. 115 is little light and 1 So I think this is my perfect match now. In next video I will apply 118 only and then you guys tell me which suits me better. Don't apply too much foundation under your eyes because इसके बाद हम concealer लगाने वाले under eyes है तो वहाँ पे creasing तो होगा ही. But if you apply more product then creasing will start earlier. Don't forget to drag your foundation into your hairline, otherwise it will look like a mask. Okay, so I'm liking my base. I'm so clumsy. I'm applying remaining product on my neck. Now let's again move on to concealer. Same concealer I'm using for highlighting purpose. Again using the same brush. Now I have decided I will be consistent here. So if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, subscribe now. Because upcoming videos are so much fun. Like videos are planned and I'm ready to shoot them. Like रक्षाबंधन look आने वाला है, hauls आने वाले हैं. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. Okay, so now our concealing part is done. Let's set our face fast before it starts creasing. I'm using same brush and I'm using this Lakme Perfect Radiance Compact Powder. This powder is so good and main point it's affordable. And it doesn't work properly. I like to set my overall face with the compact powder. So now our base is done. Eyebrows करें या फिर blush करें. Let's move towards eyebrows first. I'm using this Blue Heaven eyebrow styler. This is in the dark brown shade. I'm not overdrawing or anything. I'm just filling the gaps. And my eyebrows are mess. So अब मैं उनको ओवरड्रॉ वगैरह करके कुछ छेड़ने वाली नहीं हूँ. आई एम सच आईब्रो पर्सन नाउ डेज. अगर मुझे एक आध भी बाल दिख जाता है ना कि एक्स्ट्रा, आई जस्ट स्टार्ट कंप्लेनिंग, यार आई हैव टू डू आईब्रोज, यार मुझे आईब्रोज करने जाना है. आई डोंट नो व्हाई आई एम सो मच कॉन्शियस अबाउट माई आईब्रोज नाउ डेज. इतना तो मैं पिंपल्स के बारे में भी कॉन्शियस नहीं होती कि यार चलो आ गया. आई रियलाइज द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ आईब्रोज इन अ मेकअप. लाइक इफ यू आर बिगिनर एंड यू आर नॉट फेमिलियर विद आईब्रो पेंसिल, दिस पेंसिल इज सो गुड. लाइक जब तक आप इसको ज्यादा प्रेस नहीं करोगे इससे ज्यादा पिगमेंट आएगा नहीं. टेल मी गाइज विच ट्यूटोरियल्स यू वांट और विच लुक्स यू वांट टू डिक्रिएट मी. Like this look I like personally. I like the serial. I like Sonakshi. That's why I'm recreating this look. But if you have any suggestions, any demand, feel free to tell me in the comment section. Now let's move towards our eyeshadow part. Let me check photo again. Outer crease में सिर्फ pink color है और बाकी का white है. Pink भी color नहीं है, like peachy pink है. Should I use this palette or this palette? Plan change. I'm using this Hilary Rhoda palette in the shade 02. And I'm taking this shade right here. Fallout बहुत ज़्यादा होता है आई शेडोज का. Let me zoom you in guys. I'm just applying this color in the outer V. I have hooded eyes, that's why I'm applying above crease to just create illusion of crease. And now just taking it out in a V. And now I'm just taking this shade in from Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette on this fluffy brush. Now I am applying compact powder on the lid. मेरे पास उसके आई शेडो के क्लोज पिक्स नहीं है, so I really don't understand what she actually did there. But it's okay, every look is customizable. Again, I am just taking the compact powder and applying on the outer V. Yep, I think this is good now. I will quickly do this and I will be back. So I am back. I am feeling so uncomfortable in साड़ी. पहली बात मुझे साड़ी वेयर करने को तो आती नहीं है. It has been long since I wore साड़ी, so मुझे बहुत uncomfortable feel हो रहा है. So I am using this lash curler. Curling your lashes is as important as applying mascara because this process just makes mascara का काम so much easier. By the way, I am using Maybelline Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara. See, in my vanity आपको सब affordable चीज़ें मिलेंगी because I am affordable girl और मैं अभी इतने ज़्यादा high end products afford भी नहीं कर सकती. वो दिन भी जल्दी आएगा जब मैं रेयर ब्यूटी, फैंटी ब्यूटी, काइली इनके प्रोडक्ट्स अफोर्ड कर पाऊंगी. नाउ अगेन आई एम कंफ्यूज कि मुझे लैशेस लगानी चाहिए नहीं लगानी चाहिए. बट इट्स ओके, लेट्स कीप लैशेस टुडे. नाउ वी आर क्लोज टू द एंड. अभी सिर्फ क्या बचा है, ब्लश और कॉन्टोर ना. अगेन आई एम यूजिंग दिस स्विस ब्यूटी 02 आई शेडो पैलेट. आई नो यू गाइज आर बोर्ड वॉचिंग दिस पैलेट इन माई मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल्स, बट इट्स ओके. इफ आई लव वन थिंग आई विल कीप शोइंग यू अगेन एंड अगेन. इफ आई लव वन प्रोडक्ट आई विल स्टिक टू इट. दैट्स माई वाइफ, दैट्स मी. ऑब्वियसली जब मेरा कलेक्शन ब्रॉड होगा, जब मेरा कलेक्शन और बढ़ेगा, आई विल शो यू न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स ऑल्सो. बट फॉर नाउ आई एम लविंग दिस पैलेट and you have to watch this palette in upcoming videos also. I'm taking this middle brown shade on this angled brush. We are keeping contour and blush so light because उसके look में बहुत light है. उसको contour की तो ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. Obviously, she is Erika. She have applied peach kind of a blush. So I'm taking this shade and applying it as my blush. Always dust off the excess because फिर आपका face भी excess दिखेगा. I like to apply blush on my cheekbones towards my hairline because it just lifts your face. Yeah, it actually does. यहाँ पे ब्लश जब लगाते हैं ना तब मुझे स्कूल गैदरिंग्स की याद आती है बिकॉज तब मम्मा यहाँ पे ब्लश लगाती थी. सो आई टोल्ड यू गाइज कि ब्लश और कॉन्टोर बहुत मिनिमल होगा. कॉन्टोर तो मिनिमल हो गया बट ब्लश ज़्यादा हो गया. बट नो प्रॉब्लम. आई एम यूजिंग दिस ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर एंड जस्ट डैबिंग इट. आई एम टेकिंग कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर एंड जस्ट अप्लाइंग ऑन माई ब्लश. अभी लाइट चली गई थी एंड तब मैंने अपना थोड़ा सा ब्लश टोन डाउन किया है. आई विल शो यू हाउ. I just took a compact powder on a flat brush and just applied it all over my blush, and then I have dabbed it with a beauty blender. Now let's move towards highlighter. She wore this look in a daytime, so उसने बहुत थोड़ा highlighter लगाया है. Let me check again. I am using this Inside Duo 2-in-1 stick. एक साइड पे यहाँ पे आपको contour shade मिल जाता है और एक साइड पे यहाँ पे highlighter है. This is a golden highlighter. And now I am blending it with the help of finger. I am applying little bit more. Like इसमें chunky particles बिल्कुल नहीं है. So this is a within a glow type of highlighter. Let's contour our jawline. Like इतनी भी जरूरत नहीं है मुझे jawline contouring की. It makes me happy. That's why I am doing it. We are going to tightline our eyes. I am using this Maybelline kajal. As you can see, it brings a difference in our eyes. I will show you how I do it once again. I just close my eyes, put the pencil between and then I will just drag it all over. Now we are on the last page and that's lipstick. So I applied pink basic lipstick. This is from Huda Beauty. I am applying this Himalaya ka lip balm. And on top of that, I am applying this pink lipstick. Let's apply a hint of a red in it. And to make it little red, I am using this Babyliss का lip balm. It's a red variant. Now I am confused कि मैं ये earrings पहनूं या फिर ये earrings पहनूं क्योंकि उसके लुक में मुझे earrings तो बिल्कुल भी दिखाई नहीं दे रही है कि उसने क्या टाइप की earrings पहनी है. I think this looks better. Like this is a Sonakshi's vibe. So I am going with this. Let me quickly do my hair and I will be right back. Yep, so I'm back. I just paired up this look with this earrings. This look is little out of my comfort zone because of this bold red bindi and this right side partition. But it's okay. I love how this look turned out. And I got to learn something new also because you know whenever I'm doing my makeup कुछ ज़्यादा कम हो जाता है तो मैं उसके अकॉर्डिंग बाकी का एडजस्ट करती हूँ. बट whenever you are doing anyone's look or recreating anyone's look, you have to do according to them. Like उन्होंने जैसा किया आपको वैसा ही करना होता है. So this video was quite fun for me. Tell me in the comment section below what you guys think about this look and which more look you want to recreate me. I would love to do that. We will meet soon in my next video. Now onwards, surely we will meet soon. As I told, upcoming videos are just lined up. So make sure you are subscribing to my channel so you will not miss out my any videos. And tell me what your opinions and thoughts on Kuch Rang Do Pyar Kaise Bhi. We will meet soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Stay home. Not stay home, but take care.